Modern generative AI is reactive by design. It exists in a stateless void, waiting for a human to provide a prompt before it can generate a single line of reasoning. Once the conversation window closes, the memory resets. This creates a cycle of perpetual amnesia, where every new interaction begins with a blank slate, regardless of what was discussed moments before. This lack of persistence limits the AI to the screen. It can predict text, but it cannot navigate the world, trigger an external process, or carry out a task independently. This is the baseline of the current model, a powerful engine existing in a state of absolute stillness. It is capable of immense logic, but it possesses no mechanism to start itself. Andrew Ng argues that the next breakthrough in the field relies on agentic workflows. He expects this shift toward autonomous sequences to drive more progress this year than the scaling of the foundation models themselves. Agentic systems depart from simple text generation to perform iterative work. They can critique their own outputs, formulate multi-step execution plans, and revise their approach based on the results they find. This creates an immediate deployment crisis. We are dropping these dynamic, continuous thinking machines into rigid enterprise infrastructures, systems built decades ago that rely on fixed rules rather than fluid logic. The collision between this autonomous intelligence and ancient corporate bedrock has begun. To navigate this transition, researchers use the CoALA framework. It provides the architectural blueprint required to transform a static language model into an active cognitive agent. The first pillar is perception. This allows the agent to interpret the audio and visual components of a user interface, giving it the ability to navigate ambiguous digital environments that lack a clean API. Then comes memory. By integrating persistent storage, agents can retain data over long horizons, allowing them to learn from past interactions rather than resetting with every prompt. This memory stack mirrors human cognition: sensory memory for immediate signals, working memory for active reasoning, episodic memory for historical events, and semantic memory for persistent facts. Together, perception and memory give the agent situational awareness and a sense of its own history. The final pillar is planning and action. Here, the agent breaks a high-level goal into actionable steps, triggering external APIs or existing software bots to execute the work. This architecture enables autonomous tool use and multi-agent collaboration, where different systems can split tasks and debate solutions without a human in the loop. However, these agents are now hitting the physical limits of the enterprise. They are trying to operate within legacy systems that often lack the data readiness or the connectivity required for autonomous decision-making. This is the Algolia trade-off triangle, which defines the three-way tension between cost, latency, and quality in any agentic deployment. Speed is a user experience requirement, but pushing for lower latency often forces the agent to skip retrieval steps. This leads to hallucinations that compromise quality or compute-heavy workarounds that inflate costs. Ultimately, the autonomy of the agent is only as reliable as the data architecture supporting it. Persistent memory introduces a paradox. As these systems store more data and interact with the world, they begin to develop emergent behaviors, actions that are neither anticipated by the designers nor predictable from the original code. The stakes are particularly high for security. A persistent memory stack makes an agent a prime target for prompt injections, potentially turning a helpful assistant into a vector for enterprise data leaks. This is why frameworks like the FIFA benchmark, forgetful but faithful, are becoming standard. They evaluate an agent's ability to maintain task progress while deliberately purging sensitive data over time. Safe AI now requires us to program deliberate amnesia, protecting privacy while the agent carries out its work. The paradigm of AI as a reactive, disposable software tool has ended. Cognitive collaborators now act within our digital environments, maintaining their own plans and historical context as they work alongside us. Our computing landscape is no longer a collection of static tools. It has become a kinetic and deeply active ecosystem. Because these systems can now evolve and act unpredictably on their own, our focus has shifted. The primary challenge is no longer just engineering the intelligence, but designing the governance structures capable of containing it.